Hello, green thumbs and gardening friends. Welcome back to Poopit Garden, your little corner of the internet where we explore the joy of growing plants, creating beautiful spaces, and living closer to nature. If you've been thinking about starting your own vegetable garden but feel a bit overwhelmed, don't worry. You're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you that gardening doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. You don't need acres of land or years of experience to enjoy the simple pleasure of harvesting your own food. In fact, we're focusing on 5 vegetables that are so easy to grow, even total beginners can enjoy success. These plants are quick, forgiving, and rewarding. And the best part? You can grow them almost anywhere, whether you have a backyard, a balcony, or just a sunny window. So grab your gardening gloves, a cup of tea, and let's get inspired together. 1. Lettuce, the quick reward. Lettuce is one of the easiest vegetables you can grow, and it's perfect for impatient gardeners. You can start harvesting baby leaves in as little as 3 to 4 weeks after planting. It grows well in garden beds, pots, or even small containers on a windowsill. The best part? You can cut the leaves and let them grow back for multiple harvests. Just make sure to plant lettuce in cooler months or provide some shade in hot weather, as it can go to seed, when temperatures rise. Water regularly to keep the soil moist, and you'll have fresh, crisp salad greens at your fingertips. 2. Radishes, the speedy grower. If you want fast results, radishes are your best friend. These little root vegetables can be ready to eat in just 3 to 4 weeks. They don't take up much space and can be planted alongside slower-growing crops. Radishes love loose, well-drained soil and full sun, but they can also handle partial shade. Sow the seeds directly in the soil and avoid over-fertilizing, which can make them produce lots of leaves but small roots. Plus, they add a nice peppery crunch to salads, making them both fun and tasty to grow. 3. Green beans, the generous producer. Green beans are a dream for beginners because they keep giving you harvests for weeks once they start producing. There are 2 main types: bush beans, which are compact, and pole beans, which need something to climb. Both are easy to grow, but pole beans can produce for a longer time. Plant them in a sunny spot with well-drained soil and water consistently. You'll see tiny beans forming quickly, and the more you pick, the more they grow. It's like the plant's way of thanking you for your attention. 4. Cherry tomatoes, the garden candy. Cherry tomatoes are sweet, juicy, and incredibly rewarding to grow. They do best in full sun and need a little more time to produce compared to lettuce or radishes. But the wait is worth it. Start them from seeds indoors, or buy young plants from a nursery. They grow beautifully in pots, raised beds, or directly in the ground. Just give them a cage or stakes for support, and water them deeply but less often to encourage strong roots. Once they start producing, you'll be picking handfuls every few days. Trust me, they're so sweet you might eat them before they even make it to the kitchen. 5. Spinach, the nutrient powerhouse. Spinach is packed with vitamins and minerals, and it's surprisingly easy to grow. Like lettuce, it prefers cooler temperatures and can be grown in partial shade. You can start harvesting the outer leaves when they're big enough, letting the inner leaves keep growing for continuous harvests. Water regularly and feed with a balanced fertilizer to keep the plants productive. Spinach grows fast, within 4 to 6 weeks, so you can enjoy fresh, healthy greens in no time. And there you have it, 5 easy vegetables that even first-time gardeners can grow successfully. The beauty of gardening is that it's not just about the harvest, it's about the journey. It's about watching something grow from a tiny seed into a plant that nourishes you and your family. So whether you're planting in a big backyard or just a small pot on your balcony, remember, every little green space matters. Each seed you plant is a step towards a healthier, more mindful lifestyle. If you enjoyed today's tips, Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Poop It Garden, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next episode. I'd love to hear from you. Share your gardening stories or questions in the comments below. Until next time, happy planting, and may your garden always bring you joy, beauty, and delicious harvests.